Which synonym belongs to corporeal? The correct answer is bodily. Which synonym belongs to prevalent? The correct answer is common. Which synonym belongs to buffet? The correct answer is smorgasbord. Which synonym belongs to persist? The correct answer is persevere. Which synonym belongs to bicker? The correct answer is wrangle. Which synonym belongs to altruistic? The correct answer is philanthropic. Which synonym belongs to merit? The correct answer is worth. Which synonym belongs to immure? The correct answer is cloister. Which synonym belongs to depose? The correct answer is declare. Which synonym belongs to remonstrate? The correct answer is expostulate. Which synonym belongs to sequester? The correct answer is segregate. Which synonym belongs to knave? The correct answer is villain. Which synonym belongs to shoal? The correct answer is sandbar. Which synonym belongs to obstinate? The correct answer is pertinacious. Which synonym belongs to melange? The correct answer is assortment. Which synonym belongs to graphite? The correct answer is CRP. Which synonym belongs to sham? The correct answer is mock. Which synonym belongs to killjoy? The correct answer is spoilsport. Which synonym belongs to aversion? The correct answer is antipathy. Which synonym belongs to Philistin? The correct answer is Philistinish.